Welcome everybody to Clarington Kia. Today we're going to take you on a tour of this very popular 2019 Kia Sedona LX Plus. This has just over 140,000 kilometers on it, is a one-owner vehicle, no accident history, an absolute ton of service history as well. We will show you that when we get inside the Sedona. But if you are looking for an 8-passenger van, that is absolutely going to be a great time, great for family adventures, but not break the bank. This is a great choice for you. We're going to take you on a tour of it, exterior features, interior features, condition, so that way you can have a great look right from the comfort of your own home. Now, underneath the hood, the Sedona features a 3.3-liter V6 engine connected to an 8-speed automatic transmission. You can tow up to 3,500 pounds with this even. So if you have a little utility trailer, or maybe you like to tow the boat or a Sea-Doo or something like that, it can also handle that job for you as well. As you can see from the side profile, it is a full minivan. Don't let that scare you. It makes sense. Power sliding doors, power tailgate on this LX Plus model as well. Now up front, we've got these great looking 17-inch alloy wheels, almost brand new rubber on here as well. Check these out. All right, so great looking rubber, LED turn signals in the side view mirrors, and then how about this color? This nice deep navy blue. It's very, very popular, looks sharp too, in great condition. Now as we come around to the back, nice looking taillights, Sedona badge. Love the fact that we have the rear bumper protector here on the back as well. All right, rear sonar too, if your eyes caught that. And then of course we have that power tailgate. So popping that open can also be done from the key fob. So you can see that right here. We've got the power sliding doors and the power tailgate right there on the key fob. Now this is why you're buying a van, let's face it. Tons of passengers and also tons of room. Look at how big the cargo space is on this. Love that it has the grocery bag hooks on the back of the seats as well. And then to fold these down, look at how easy it is. It's basically just grab the handle, releases, and then it tumbles down into the back. And then you have a nice flat cargo system all the way up to that second row seat. But I love also that it is a split bench seat in the back. So that side or both sides can fold down. Leaves you a lot of option and flexibility for passengers and cargo. Closing this up, going around the passenger side so you can see all 4 corners. It's a beautiful day today. It's nice and sunny. It's still pretty chilly, but it's a great day to come down here and take this out for a test drive, I'll tell you that. Now up front, really nice looking headlights, LED daytime running lights. We even have fog lights on this model. Lots of chrome around the front. All right, great looking front end. And then if I can get close here, look at all the metallic flake in this beautiful blue paint as well. Now let's pop open these doors. All right, little pull. Now you may be wondering, the key fob will work, but only when the car is off. This won't work obviously when the car is on, just to prevent accidents from accidentally opening it while you're driving. Now in the back here, you can see we do have a nice armrest that folds down, okay? Great looking seating. Look at the condition of these seats. They're absolutely just almost perfect. This is a non-smoking vehicle, okay? Each individual seat, is on a slider, so they can be moved forward or back to give third row passengers more legroom. You can also remove this center seat to give it almost like a captain's chair feel by removing this, or what you can do as well is give this a pull and it folds down, and then you have yourself a nice armrest. It is leather bolstered as well. Cup holders up front here. There is a little container down here as well for some storage, a little bit more storage there. One of the really neat things that they have is, check this out, you can actually move the front seat, both reclining and back and forth, to adjust so that way the back passengers have the appropriate amount of legroom without having to get into that second row seat, or probably the passenger seat, and move it back and forth. You can do it right from back here. That is really great when you have car seats in here. Now, looking up, we have our tri-zone climate control, so independent temperatures for the back passengers. Another great thing is the ventilation is in the roof. So that means that no matter where you're sitting, you can adjust your vent to get the proper airflow to you, especially if there are kids in car seats. The reverse-facing car seat, that ventilation is pointing down, not at the back of a car seat, which really wouldn't help us, would it? To get into the third row, give this a pull, and then look at this. Just moves right out of the way for you. Really easy. You can hop into the third row seats. There are cup holders back here. There are even the window sunshades for the third row seats in the back as well. All right, speakers back there too. Now let's fold this back over. And then we're back to our regular seating. And yes, these windows have the sunshade as well. Close up the doors. In the front seats here, again, they're in great shape. Non-smoker, really good condition, okay? We have a power driver's seat up front, power lumbar support, and then hopping in here. All right, so one of the nice benefits of an LX Plus is that you have heated front seats and a heated steering wheel as well. So this will get nice and warm. It's leather wrapped. You have your Bluetooth and radio controls. You have your cruise controls on the other side. Checking out our odometer, 143,611 kilometers on this 2019. Wait until you see the service history on this too. It's incredible. Give you a little look around the cabin here. All right, it does have kind of like a dual glove box system. You can see the top portion there and then the traditional regular one. Now the infotainment system features Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can see all menus here, shows you that. All right. Put it into reverse. Of course, we have a nice clear rear view camera system. And then moving down is our tri-zone climate control. So the front driver, front passenger, and then the rear passengers all have their independent temperature settings. Down here, we have a wireless charging pad plus a USB port and an auxiliary port there. So you can charge up your phone wirelessly. Plus we have the USB and then our gear selector. And then here we have our heated driver and heated passenger seat, the heated steering wheel, and the active eco mode. So that 3.3 liter will go into a fuel saving mode when you use the active eco, saving you even more fuel. Nice big armrest, storage in there as well. Now let's get to, in my opinion, the second best thing about this, other than the condition, is this right here. So our Carfax shows us one owner, no reported accidents, 39 service records. That is great. So you can see every time this car was in for service and maintenance, a lot of it was done here at Clarington Kia, you'll see, and all the maintenance that's been done on this vehicle. And this is fantastic for anybody looking at this and saying, I wonder if it's in good shape. I wonder if it's been taken care of. Well, the proof is right there. So listen, if you don't want to be disappointed, call right now and book your test drive in this 2019 Sedona, pardon me. It is a great find. We don't get these often, and when we do, they tend to sell very quickly. So congratulations to whoever gets behind the wheel of this Sedona. We look forward to seeing you here at Clarington Kia. Thanks so much for watching.